They say that leaders are made and not born. And if you want to make one yourself, you will have to build the commitment to be a leader that serves its people. For the second straight year, we implemented the People's Day Initiative. And as of June 11 this year, with just 37 barangays covered, more than 29,000 people were already benefited by this initiative. In terms of development planning, we have highlighted a participatory strategy that focuses on community involvement and empowerment. As servant leaders, we realize the true progress made when every voice is heard and every resident is invested in our city's future. Kung gusto niyo, gusto sad nako. Sa tanan ato nahibo, sa naaging natuig, nakita niyo na para sa ato initanan, para sa tanan Surigao sanan sa ato syudad. Kay waya may ato laing syudad, inin Surigao ra, itara mismo ang makapaasenso sa ato tanan. Kung waya kamo, waya sad ako. Kung unoy iso gusto, amoy sad ako gusto. Kung maghago kamo para sa ato ikaasenso, labaw ako ang maghago para sa inyo. And I would like to announce to everybody that Surigao City is now approved as a regional fish port of the Eastern Mindanao and of the Eastern Visayas. We have been chosen by the United Nations through the UN Habitat for the voluntary local review of the SDGs. We are the only one among the local governments all over the Philippines to be given such privilege and opportunity. Sa serbisyong pulito sa dekalidad, abante kita tanan sa pagkapot sa kalambuan para sa mga batang Surigaonon. God bless Surigao. Mabuhay ang Surigaonon. Abante Surigao.